This creamy, scrumptious gravy is Murgh Kalimirch. And don't get fooled by that pale color. It packs the warmth of black pepper in every bite. Also, this version, completely nut-free. So let's get cooking. First up, the marinade. We need about half a kg chicken, medium pieces, with or without skin, totally your call. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh yogurt, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and some salt. And let's not forget the main ingredient here, about 2 teaspoons of freshly crushed black pepper. Now give it a good mix. Don't be shy, make sure every piece is nicely coated. Pop it into the fridge and let it marinate for about 30 minutes to 2 hours. While that's doing its thing, let's get the paste ready. Slice up 2 to 3 onions. This is what gives the gravy its body. We'll also need 2 green chilies. Now in a pan, add a spoon of oil and throw in the onions. Saute till they're nice and translucent. We don't want any browning here or it will change the color of the gravy. Then add the green chilies and about 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds. Cover and let them soften for a couple of minutes. Now let it cool a bit. Then into the mixer and blend it into a smooth paste. If it needs a little help, add some yogurt or water. Back to the same pan, add a dollop of ghee. Then in go the whole spices. Bay leaf, a small piece of cinnamon, a couple of cardamom and cloves. Let them bloom, you'll know when it smells amazing. Now add the marinated chicken. A little cumin powder, a bit more coriander powder, and give it a good toss so everything's coated well. Once the chicken changes color, add in that onion paste. Add some water to loosen it up and get the right consistency and a little salt for the gravy. Cover and cook for a few minutes. Let it simmer some more till the oil separates. This is where it all comes together. Finish with some crushed kasuri methi, turn off the heat. Then a generous sprinkle of freshly crushed black pepper. This is Murgh Kalimirch after all. And some coriander leaves to freshen things up. That's it. Your Murgh Kalimirch is ready. It goes great with naan, chapati or even rice. We had it with a simple ghee rice and honestly it was too good. Do give it a try, and if you enjoy recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care and ta-ta.